Hundreds of vaccinated people hospitalized in UK with Delta. Experts warn that vaccines do not eliminate all risk of the highly contagious Delta variant that now accounts for 99% of all COVID-19 infections in the UK. There are early signs that jabs may not stop Delta transmission. All vaccines in use in the UK require recipients to receive 2 doses to be fully inoculated. About 75% of the UK's adult population has received 2 shots to date. In its latest coronavirus update, Public Health England (FE) warned about early indications that people who have been vaccinated may be able to transmit the Delta variant of COVID-19 as easily as those who have not received any shots. Hundreds of vaccinated people hospitalized in UK with Delta. According to FE release, hundreds of fully vaccinated people in UK have been hospitalized with the highly contagious Delta COVID-19 variant. From July 19 to August 2, 1% of the 1,467 people hospitalized with the Delta variant were unvaccinated, FE said, while 34.9% or 512 people had received 2 doses. July 19 was the date when the lockdown restrictions were significantly eased in UK. All vaccines in use in the United Kingdom, those produced by AstraZeneca, Moderna and Pfizer-BioNTech, require recipients to receive 2 doses to be fully inoculated. About 75% of the UK's adult population has received 2 shots to date. As more of the population gets vaccinated, we will see a higher relative percentage of vaccinated people in hospital, FE said. Jenny Harries, chief executive of the UK Health Security Agency, said the hospitalisation figures showed once again how important it is that we all come forward to receive both doses of the vaccine as soon as we are able to do so. Vaccination is the best tool we have in keeping ourselves and our loved ones safe from the serious disease risk COVID-19 can pose, Harries said in a statement. However, we must also remember that the vaccines do not eliminate all risk. It is still possible to become unwell with COVID-19 and infect others. PHE's findings chime with those from the United States Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), which last week raised concerns that vaccinated people infected with Delta could, unlike with other variants, readily transmit it. Vaccines have been shown to provide good protection against severe disease and death from Delta, especially with 2 doses, but there is less data on whether vaccinated people can still transmit it to others. Some initial findings indicate that levels of virus in those who become infected with Delta having already been vaccinated may be similar to levels found in unvaccinated people, FE said. This may have implications for people's infectiousness, whether they have been vaccinated or not. However, this is early exploratory analysis and further targeted studies are needed to confirm whether this is the case. The Delta variant has become the dominant form of coronavirus circulating globally, sustaining a pandemic that has already killed more than 4.4 million people, including more than 130,000 in the UK. According to FE, it now accounts for 99% of all COVID-19 infections in the UK.